In this video, I'm comparing ZenBusiness versus Bizee. I have a relationship with both companies, and if you sign up through the links below, I earn a referral fee at no extra cost to you. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. ZenBusiness uses an automated chatbot to guide you. It asks about 18 questions to help find the right plan for your business. While this feels like a helpful chat, it does ask for your phone number and email, which can lead to sales calls and emails later on. Bizee is much more direct. You see a simple grid of packages and pick the one you want. It doesn't use a long chat process, so you can finish your order faster. Once you're done, you get a command center dashboard to manage all your documents. Verdict: ZenBusiness feels more like a guide, but Bizee is faster and more private. Features and functionality. ZenBusiness focuses on speed and safety. Their mid-tier Pro plan includes one-day rush processing. They also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is one of the best in the business. They even have a mobile app to help you run your business on the go. Now, Bizee offers a huge perk: a free first year of registered agent service with every plan. This service handles your official legal mail. Bizee also includes lifetime company alerts, so you never miss a state deadline. Verdict: ZenBusiness wins for faster filing and better guarantees. Bizee wins for the free registered agent service. Pricing. ZenBusiness has a $0 starter plan plus state fees. However, this plan does not include a registered agent. If you add that service, it costs $199. Their Pro plan is $199 and is the most popular option, but it also renews at $199 per year. Bizee also has a $0 silver plan plus state fees. The big difference is that the registered agent service is free for the first year. This saves you about $200 right away. Their gold plan is $199 and includes an EIN and an operating agreement. Verdict: Bizee is the clear winner for the lowest total cost. Support and reliability. ZenBusiness is known for great support. They have an A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and thousands of high reviews. They offer support 7 days a week, including Sundays, which is rare in this industry. Bizee has served over 1 million businesses since 2004. They offer phone, email, and chat support during normal business hours. While they're very experienced, they're not currently accredited by the Better Business Bureau. Verdict: ZenBusiness wins for better support hours and higher trust ratings. Extra perks. ZenBusiness offers worry-free compliance. This service handles your annual reports and up to 2 amendments per year. They also give you access to an AI business assistant called Velo to answer quick questions. Bizee offers a free business tax consultation and a business bank account setup. They also have low-cost add-ons for things like trademark filing and business license searches, which can save you a lot of time. Verdict: ZenBusiness is better for ongoing state filings. Bizee is better for extra legal and tax help. Final verdicts. If you want the best support and a strong money-back guarantee, ZenBusiness is the better fit. Their Sunday support and 60-day refund policy make them a very safe choice for beginners who want extra help. If you want the lowest possible price, Bizee is the winner. By including the registered agent for free, they save you more money in your first year than almost any other service. Now, for most people, I recommend ZenBusiness for that extra level of customer care. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.